amazing guys to be in the kitchen giving you your favorite recipes. Anyway, we all know that, you know what I mean, Chef Ricardo is coming up something for the fans. But today we want to make you an oats punch. Very easy and simple recipe, and I know you guys will love this one. So listen, this is the way how we're going to make it. Follow my ingredients, you can't go wrong. I want to say 500 likes, 500 comments, I will be really happy. And also follow me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. We're always there with the best recipe. I say I got some leftover oats and guineas and, you know what I mean, nutriment and bits and pieces, and I say I'm just gonna make an oats punch for my fans them. We love you guys and stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more recipe. Mother's Day is coming up. Look out for Mother's Day recipe. A lot of stuff coming up. We got next Easter bun recipe coming up also. So you know what I mean, there's so much things coming out for the fans them. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We love you, we respect you. Thank you for your comments, thank you for your time watching my video. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team. Stay tuned. Nice. So basically, this is how we're going to do it. Alright? It's not too complicated. So first thing, I got some oats. I need to use up these oats. So I'm gonna pop some oats inside of my ninja blender. Alright, not too much oats. We're gonna pop a little bit of Guinness. Nice one. We got some peanut punch. I got some peanut punch left and I wanna use it up. And I got one more. This is some Irish mash. I'm going to use it up. Really thick. That really thick. So basically we're gonna put a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is good for you too. A little bit of nutmeg egg, grated nutmeg egg. Just roughly about half teaspoon. Some vanilla. And we're gonna put some. I got some sweet condensed milk left which I want to use. Roughly about almost say 2 large tablespoons. Nice one. Very easy recipe. Cover it. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna just blend this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Nice and lovely. So I just finished blend it. And what I'm going to do is just pour it in like this. Nice one. As you can see, exactly what Chef Ricardo is all about. So look at that drink. This is just a simple oats punch and you can make that at home. Very easy and simple, nothing too complicated. So subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo show. We got a lot more ideas, a lot more recipe like this coming out for you. And you can see nothing complicated. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. We got a lot more ideas and a lot more recipe coming your way. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica. So we make you a Jamaican oats punch. Alright? Enjoy it, subscribe, leave your comments below. Thank you so much and see you next time.